Boeing asks suppliers for decade-long titanium paper trail as check for forgeries widens. Reuters. Boeing is asking suppliers to disclose records on Chinese titanium since 2014, according to a letter seen by Reuters, as the U.S. planemaker widens checks for false paperwork used to authenticate the metal used in commercial jets. Regulators said in June they were investigating whether false or incorrect documents were used to identify the authenticity of titanium used for parts in some Boeing and Airbus jets. Reports of forged documentation initially raised concerns about the structural integrity. Below are your comments. Titanium is not something we have much of from domestic sources. Much of the material comes from Russia and China simply because that's where it's found on Earth. During the 1960s, the CIA set up many shell companies to purchase large quantities of titanium from the Soviet Union, which was then used to build the State Route 71 and go spy on the very same Soviet Union. The fact that they asking for the records makes it obvious they suspect something somewhere is not safe. Boeing and Airbus used to get a lot of their titanium alloys from ATI Alvac in the US. I was not aware that they were using Chinese suppliers now. Never a good trend. Conservative push for deregulation, and the weakening of FAA's investigation and enforcement activities. Globalization outsourcing to maximize corporate profits without verification and assurance of quality. Why of parts and materials. It is appropriate for Boeing to trace its titanium suppliers, which I thought was always required. It is far from Boeing's core problem of stifling integrity in its design and production processes without regard for its customers and the lives of their customers. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.